Hello and welcome to Music Lessons with Tony Valley. Today we're going to be continuing on the Wind Cries Mary from Jimi Hendrix. In today's lesson, we're going to start on measure 9. I'm going to play through it really slow, and then we'll get right into it. All right, we're going to start off with measure 9, and it's a C chord. What you're going to do is you're going to play your regular C, okay? But the way he plays this, it's going to strike just the 5th, 4th, and 3rd string of the C chord, and then hit the 2nd string, then come back and hit the 3rd and 4th string together, okay? And that's the first part of that C right there. And then we're going to walk down from that chord to the B flat. Well, let me play that again. We're going to go. You can actually go down, up, down. So you're going to hit the 3, 2, 0, down, hit the 1 on the 1st fret on the up, and then strike the 4th and 3rd string on the down. And then you're going to take your 2nd finger and you're going to place it onto the 2nd fret, 5th string, and then you're going to put your 1st finger on the 1st fret, 5th string. You're going to walk down. So you're going to come out of that C chord. And right as you play that 1st finger right there, you're going to be going into a B flat. And you're going to bar your 3rd finger across the 3rd fret, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. You're going to hit that part of the chord. So again, from the C to the B flat in measure 9. And hesitate a little bit from hitting that 1 to the 3. And you're gonna hear many different versions of the song, so I'm just trying to put them all together and have one version sound really good, connecting them all together, okay? Next chord, measure 10 is gonna be an F. And you're gonna play a full bar chord. What you're gonna do is you're gonna strike that 1st finger on the 6th string, then you're gonna hit the 3rd on the 4th. And now your chord's right here, okay? So you don't have to move your fingers around. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna have you hit the strings, 6th string, 4th string. Then you're gonna strike the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd together. So again, keep that F major bar chord form. If you're not sure that one, it's with the 1st finger barred across the 1st fret, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, 4th finger on the 3rd fret, 4th string, and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. It's that F major bar chord. So again, starting that off in measure 10, you're gonna strike the 6th string, 4th string, then the 4th, 2nd, and 3rd together, then back to the 6th string, then you're going to hit your 5th string, then you're going to hit your 6th string twice, then again you're going to hit that 3rd, 2nd, actually your 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, and then back to your 6th string, and then to your 4th and 3rd string together. So I'm going to play that measure 10 with the F chord really slow. I'm gonna even slow it down even more. Okay, so play it a little faster. It's gonna sound like this. You're gonna kind of put your movement into there and feel into it. Okay, and whatever feels comfortable. If you're going to hit the pick, hitting it down, up, but for me, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's what I'm doing, okay? Now measure 11, we're going to move and slide into a G chord, but the G chord form is going to be with your 1st finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger is placed on the 5th fret, 4th string, okay? Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna start that chord on the 2nd fret and go and slide up into it, okay? So you don't have to don't start way down on the 1st, start on the 2nd, you're gonna go down. You're gonna strike that. So you're actually gonna hit it while it's on the 2nd fret. Okay? So you're gonna go down, up, down, up. And again, that's a G form, G chord. And that's measure 11. Again, let's do it again. Down, up, down, up. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add your pinky onto the 2nd string, 5th fret, and you're gonna go, and you're gonna pull off from the 5th to the 3rd. Again, keep this form right here with the G, and you're gonna go. So let's go right into that with the G. Okay? Then at the end of that, you're gonna hit your 5th fret, 4th string, and then you're gonna hit your 4th and 3rd fret, 2nd and 3rd string together. So let's play the end part with that pull off. Okay? Down, pull off, down, down. That's the way I'm doing it. Okay? So measure 11 with the G. Okay? Okay? You can even go from the 5 and then hit up depending on what you like to do. So that's measure 11. Now it's going to go into a B flat. Now what you're going to do is you're going to use your thumb and you're going to slide everything right into that. You're going to right into the 6th fret. So you're going to move that same chord form that you had down here with the G, but you're going to move it up to the 6th fret. So now you're on the 6th, 7th, and 8th fret. But you're going to put your thumb here, hanging over, 6th fret, 6th string. Okay, so just practice doing that. And you want to mute out that 5th string. I mean, if you hit it a little bit, that's okay. And especially if you're muted out, you can definitely hit it. Okay? So when you go from measure 11 into the end of it with the B, from the G to the B flat, you're going to go like this. Down, up, down, up. Okay? So you're going to come out of G. So right away, you're going to grab that. Okay? You can even just slide up if you want into it. Okay? And you can slide from the 5th to the 6th right there. But again, that B flat right there is going to go down, up, down, up. Then you can do the same thing you did with the G, with that pinky right there. You're going to go over to the 2nd string, but now we're on the 8th fret, and you're going to do a pull off. Okay? But the way I do this, all right, let me take that again, B flat. Okay? You can hit it or pull off, whatever you'd like to do. You can listen to the different versions of the song and you can make your own choice right there. But again, the B flat, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Or you can go down, up, down, up. Okay? Now in measure 12, it's going to do the same part we did in the beginning, from the E flat 5 to the E to the F5. Okay? So coming out that B flat. Okay? So let's take it back from the G to the B flat in measure 11 to measure 12. Okay? All right. Again, listen to many different versions of the song and just kind of put your own twist to it. All right? And we end on a measure 12 today. If you have any questions about this lesson, please feel free to email me at tonyvalley@tonyvalley.com, and we'll see you for the next one. Have a good one.